So I'm going to compare it with complex news. I'm going to annotate complex news opening sequence, and it is 3 seconds long. It is very short, mostly just graphics, and much different from ours. And ours is more like a Sky News kind of opening sequence, as it takes longer and it shows different aspects of our theme. So, anyways, on to the thing. So, yeah, play everything slow. So yeah, the logo comes up complex, and then the second logo in the middle, not the really second logo, but the part of the logo comes in the middle, and it says the news in the middle of the N, and it has lines around it and yellow because like that is their theme. Their theme, like not their theme, but their aesthetic, and their aesthetic consists of like lines and simple shapes, and just to make it more modern. And it has, and their central colors are obviously yellow, white, and black because yeah, because that's it. Because it the more simplistic your colors are when they're together, the more modern it looks. Because in this case, minimalism is key, and ours did not really have that throughout because we did not keep a consistent central color because we just thought that it'll be more because complex does not represent pop culture, it represents more of hip hop culture, and ours represent is meant to represent each genre of music in one. So we decided to just use the right colors when appropriate, but our central color was always purple. So we chose one color so that we do not confuse people as our central. So we chose one color as our central color, but we chose different colors in the presentation of the whole thing because we wanted to relate with people of different genres and different views and things like that. So continue. And then it zooms in and it zooms into news. Let's take that back. So it zooms into complex, then it zooms into news. So then it's more so, and then if you notice the lines are separating to form into different kinds of graphics. Not really different kinds of graphics, but it's like animated, so it forms into different kinds of shapes. Like there's a diamond shape that they're working with, and there's like triangular shapes they're working with. So yeah, and it and as it's zooming into each one, it's more like because when you say complex news, you say complex then the news. So it did complex first, then news later, and it just yeah. And then immediately after, it zooms in and separates the into the central question. Ours did not put the central question in the beginning because we just thought that it will. We wanted a more of like a not enigma, but a more of like a surprise kind of thing. Like if like we didn't want anybody to predict. Oh,